It's not so bad. You just got to watch where you just start letting it cross a little. I think coupe is like the hardest, not the hardest, but like one of the hardest things to do without, like you rarely find people not like sickling or do, you know what I mean? Like there's always, it's a hard position to hold without doing that, you know? Just got to keep thinking about pulling that ankle forward as much as you can. And think about it even too, like to fixing it, even when you're doing like passe at ballet, focus on like the way you're holding that foot, and like even when, I have like the worst feet ever, but like even when your foot, oh my God, is there, I can't do that. But letting your heel pull, like so focus on pulling that heel away from your leg and resting that toe on your leg, yeah, so that it's not like sinking back in. But if you focus on it there, it's gonna be easier here too. Or even I think doing stuff like this, out, 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 out. Working on winging your foot. So you can trigger these muscles there.